Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank affiliate marketing sales funnels, and I'm going to be showing you some really quick, profitable sales funnels to set up in no time. So with that being said, go ahead and stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and I just wanted to say thanks for arriving on this video. Now you're probably looking to get going with Clickbank or other affiliate marketing products online, and you're in the right place because that is what we're going to go in depth with in this video. But before we get into the content, if you're new to the channel or if you're a loyal subscriber, I appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And if you're new, you can expect all things make money online. I teach online marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, sales funnels, email marketing. There's a little bit of everything for everybody on this channel. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And I wanted to bring your attention to the first link in the description below, which has my #1 recommended system to making money online. And also it has a video training series that goes more in depth on these types of topics like this one today. So it breaks it down even more. Alrighty? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's content and what we are going to talk about. So my main focus today is going to be a very simple two-step funnel. So what that means is that's going to be consistent of a landing page and also a thank you page. Now that's all you need to do if you're looking to create a funnel for your Clickbank product, because chances are, maybe you're promoting a Clickbank product and maybe you're paying for paid traffic to it. Like maybe you're doing a solo ad, or you're looking into running Google or Facebook ads or something like that. So this will be helpful, this tutorial, in building your first funnel. So a landing page is pretty simple. I'm just going to show you this graphic before we get into the technical stuff, but a landing page is pretty simple. It's going to have a headline and then a sub-headline beneath that sub-headline. Let me put a space. Okay, and then below that it's going to have an opt-in area. Okay, so it's going to have an opt-in area for both somebody's name and email on the form. Alrighty, so that's the basic list building and sales funnel 101 of having a landing page. Is you need a headline, a sub-headline, and people, or in an area to collect people's information. So now the other thing we're going to do is talk about the thank you page. So this is the landing page, this is the thank you page. Oops, I put opt-in and that's totally wrong. Let me change that really quick. This is definitely the thank you page. Okay. Cool, so you have landing and thank you, and this is where the magic happens on a thank you page. So you could either have your affiliate link to one offer on your thank you page, or it could be more than one. So for example, you can have another button here linking to another affiliate offer. So you can have multiple streams of income for yourself simply by creating more than one button on this thank you page. So you can have one offer here, and maybe you have a complimentary offer to that one. Say like, well, if you buy this theme or check out this affiliate link, also check out the other one below. Don't worry about that, but it's just an idea for those of you that are maybe trying to create multiple streams of income eventually. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Builder All back office. Now Builder All is a sales funnel building tool. It's much more than that. It's an amazing tool that I just started using. I've used tons of sales funnel building platforms before, like most notably ClickFunnels. I've used Kartra and still use Kartra, and now I use Builder All because it has a lot to offer. Now I have another review video on Builder All that goes way more in depth. You guys can check that out later, but for right now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the sales funnels building portal of the platform, and we're going to go ahead and pick a funnel template where we can easily build our own funnel. So they have all kinds of funnels, as you can see. They have storefront, lead magnet, home page, squeeze page, sales letter, survey funnels. Okay, what I wanted to bring your attention to is the normal squeeze page funnel. That is what's going to give you the basic two-step funnel, and when you go, before you edit the funnel, it gives you a description, a little tutorial of what it's about, how long it takes to edit this funnel, so approximately 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer if it's your first time, but essentially that's what it means. So let's go ahead and let's edit this funnel. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do before you make any edits is you're going to want to save the page that you're working on. So just come here, come to save, and I'm going to go, ClickBank example. We're going to save that. Now, this is really cool. You can really go all out with changing colors and fonts, headlines, backgrounds. But what I like to do is kind of just make it very simple, because if you're going to be running, like, let's say, solo ad traffic to it, you want this funnel to be as simple as possible, and you don't want too many distractions. So I just deleted the top logo. I'm going to go ahead and delete this logo right here. Here you can have copyright your LLC, okay, or if you have a sole proprietorship or whatever kind of business entity. So copyright 2018, my LLC is called Limitless Freedom LLC, all rights reserved. Okay, so then you can adjust the size of this. That's why it's literally called Builder All. You can drag and drop, and that's what's cool about this. You can move this anywhere you want. You can squeeze this in, make it bigger, smaller. You can move it up and down. But let's just say we're doing a nutrition product on Clickbank, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to assume that maybe let's say it's a belly fat weight loss niche or product, and we're going to promote that. So what we're going to say is something like, free video. And the reason why we say free video is because all of Clickbank products, at least if they're quality, will have a free video sales letter for you to use as an affiliate. So that's why you always want to start out with free video reveals how to lose, I don't know how to spell lose. Lose, I always get confused. 30 pounds of belly fat without cutting carbs, or something like that. So we can go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. So just come here, we could edit the size, you can edit all kinds of stuff. Like I said before, you can edit the fonts, the colors. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. And you can play around with it. Like, I would play around with it a little bit more so that the cutting carbs is not, or the carbs isn't alone on the same. So for now, we could just do that. Okay, how to lose 30 pounds of belly fat without cutting carbs. So yeah, let's just leave it like that for now. Okay, and here we can say, the subheadline, you kind of want to put in like a pain point or something where somebody would be like, well, what if I'm a newbie, or what if I don't have any experience, or what if I don't know what the hell I'm doing? So you can say something here like, okay, no experience, oops, required, beginner friendly, or something like that. All right. Okay, and you can move this down, you can move this up. So maybe we could do that. All right, so now you can come here and you can edit the button and what it says, like, yes, give me immediate access, or something like that. You can have a subtitle on the button, but I don't really think that's necessary. You can have an icon on the button. They have tons of icons right here to choose from. I know this is kind of in the middle of the instruction, but I do have a part 2 to this video that is coming up. Not today on this video. I'll post it within the next 3 to 4 days or sooner this week on the channel, so stay tuned, and that is where we go over the email follow-up series. I meant to say that in the beginning, but oops, my bad. Alright, so the other thing we want to do now is we want to connect this to our thank you page, because once people opt in, you have to send them somewhere. So that is the purpose of a thank you page. Now, what you want to do is come right click here, change URL, and so we're subscription confirmation, we want to send them to the thank you page. So open in the same tab, open in a new tab, it's up to you. But yeah, we want to go ahead and send them to the thank you page to make sure that they land on it, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the thank you page right now. So this is why it's very cool and easy to maneuver inside of the squeeze page funnel and any funnel in Builderall. So you would just come here to the thank you page, and this is what I love about thank you pages, is this is where the magic happens, and this is where you could either make or break your relationship with your new lead. So you really want people to engage on a thank you page and kind of know what's next, get to know you or your brand if you don't show your face. So this is typically something like congrats for taking action, congrats, let's just say congrats you're in. Okay, and then a subheadline could be, please wait 10 minutes while we email you your guide to losing belly fat. So you can put that here. So please wait 10 minutes for your ebook to arrive in your inbox. And then you could tell them what to do. While you wait, please watch this video below. Okay, cool. So now you can put, I like to upload a video on YouTube, have it as unlisted, and then you can just put that video onto this YouTube. So it's really easy. All you would do if you wanted to use a video from YouTube or Wistia or whatever video hosting site you have your video on, you can come here and just click on configure, change the YouTube or link in the description or in the URL right here, and that's it. And then you just click confirm, and then what you do, you don't really need this text down here. You can say something else. You can say just something, we could just, for the example, we could say like get started today, and then here you have your call to action button, and this is where your affiliate link is going to go. So you have the button, and you want to make sure you're sending people to the right place. So we're going to come to the button and click action, okay, and this is where you either put, you're sending them to another page, another funnel page, you're sending them to an address or an affiliate link, and if you are, which most of you are, you click on web address and you put the address of where you're sending them to. So your affiliate link goes in here. So just copy and paste, put it in there, click OK, and oh, I don't want to do that right now. This is just for the example. Click save, and now, ladies and gentlemen, your two-step sales funnel is pretty much complete. Again, you can do cool things both like in the background. You can like edit the appearance. There's different banners you can add. So like let's go back to the squeeze page. So yeah, there's some really cool things that I didn't even get to go over that you can add. You could add images, you can move things around, you can add banners, you can add different elements in your funnel. It's just a matter of playing around, and I could do more videos on that later if you guys would like. But please stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we're going to go over the email follow-up series and creating a list so that when people opt in, they have somewhere to go when they opt into your list. So, and then we'll talk about also how to send autoresponder emails. So autoresponder meaning emails that go out automatically to a subscriber on your list. Okay, so again guys, thanks for watching. The cool thing about Builderall is it is an amazing tool, as you can see, but also it has a dynamite affiliate program within itself. It's crazy because if somebody signs up with Builderall through your link, you get 100% commissions up front. It's only $49 a month to have both the Builderall business as a tool, but also to have Builderall as a tool to build sales funnels and do your email marketing, but it's also a high converting product to promote in itself. So I've already had lots of success. I've only been promoting it for what, 3 or 4 days now, and I've made close to $700. So things are just starting to heat up, and I expect to do way more than that. It's pretty exciting. So if you guys are interested in joining Builderall and using this tool and becoming an affiliate of Builderall, I have a ton of bonuses and extra trainings to go with it. So go ahead and check out the link in the description to join my team. And of course, refer to the #1 link in the description for more trainings just like this one. And of course, my #1 recommended way on how to make money online. You guys have been amazing. I will see you on the next video. Take care.